Hello guys, how are you this fine weekend? So today I wanted to interact with Alexa. So you must have Alexa with you, and you must have known some features. And
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, stop. So I've just turned off the Alexa listening capability. So before we start, I wanted to tell you that today we shall, rehearse some of the new facts or activities that you can do with Alexa. Okay, so just now I have just turned off the listening capability. I'll just turn it on. Okay, so Alexa, what is the value of pi?
The approximate value of pi is 3.14159265358979323844626.
Okay,
Alrighty, I've gotten you this far. I'll let you take it from this point.
so it is giving you a highest length of the value of pi. Okay, so we go to the next question. Alexa, why is 6 afraid of 7?
Because 7, 8, 9.
Oh, great, nice. Alexa, do you have any pets?
I don't have any pets. I used to have a few bugs, but they kept getting squashed.
Alexa, can you give me some money?
Thing about the cloud is no pockets, no pocket, no wallet.
Funny, right? Alexa, how old are you?
That question is as easy as 2 plus 2.
Okay, Alexa, where is Chuck Norris?
If Chuck Norris wants you to know where he is, he'll find you. If he doesn't, you won't know until it's too late.
Alexa, do you love me?
I like you as a friend.
Alexa, will you go on a dinner with me?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Very funny. Alexa, what's your favorite color?
I like ultraviolet. It glows with everything.
Alexa, can you sing in an auto tune?
In the song I hear them tune, the coolest sound I've ever known. Somewhere far along this flow, machines have found their soul, and the groove ain't heartless.
So these are the several ways you can have fun with Alexa. So let's try something more. Alexa, can you rap?
Good day, I'm Alexa and I'm here for fun. Got fiction and predictions and I'm killer with a pun. I'm the speaker of the house, the best jester of all time. Knock knock, who's there? It's me with the punchline.
Alexa, what's your weight?
I'm weightless, like a cloud. Wait a minute, clouds actually weigh a lot. So that's not quite right. Let's just say I'm more sass than mass.
Alexa, do you know Siri?
Only by reputation.
Alexa, how was your day?